You know me as social media Kristen, but what you don't know is that I love, love, love dogs. And every couple months, I host this event called Books and Buddies. And today is the event, so I'm going to bring you through the whole event with me. So the event is a book swap. So every time I bring 3 books that I want to swap so that I can actually get some new books. The way we make money for the rescue is that it's $10 to actually participate. So I have these little signs made up that basically have like the options for how you can actually pay your donation or like your entry fee. So when people check in, they bring up to 3 books and they get 1 ticket for each book that they bring. And then later they get to exchange the tickets for different books. And I'll show you what that looks like. It's actual madness when people are like elbowing each other for books. And so this is Potato. She's actually part of the rescue. But we're in like this big debate whether her name should be Potato or Clover. Her name was originally Clover, but I renamed her Potato because she's more of a potato. So today, to solve this, but also to fundraise, we have these 2 jars and people are going to be able to vote what they want to name her. And I also make these bookmarks. I just get them printed on cardstock paper. It costs me under $10, but I'll print them out and we give them to everyone. So it has our handles on it, and it's actually just like a bookmark.
Hello, baby. These 2 have been on my list, and this one.
So we just finished up with Books and Buddies. Now we're getting pizza because that's the only appropriate way to end an event. We'll find out how much money that we raise once we add it all up. But I'm so excited. It was an awesome event.